press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to history class. Okay, I hope you have understood in the last class what we have discussed. Once recap what we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, the second chapter of ninth standard history, the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. We have discussed in the last class the age of social change, the introductory part of socialism in Europe, the age of social change, the features of liberals, the features of radicals, the features of conservatives have been discussed in the last class. In this session, we are going to discuss industrial society and social change. Around of us in the economics, there are three sectors. The first one is primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. First primary sector which belongs to agriculture, secondary sector which belongs to industrial sector, tertiary sector belongs to service sector such as hotel, insurance, school, driver. These are all called as. Okay. Next to industrial society. How was it formed? How was industrial sector formed? And due to the industrialization, how was social change? Let us discuss one by one. These political trends were signs of a new time. Which were the two political signs? The first one is industrial society and social change. These two were signs of a new time. It was a time upon social and economic changes. When the industries began to set up, the entire society was changed. And economically, it was economically changed. Society was changed and economic was changed due to the industrialization. Industrialization made numerous changes in our society. What was the changes which occurred in the Europe? The first one is came up new industrial region developed. It was a time to new cities came up. What were the changes? The first one is new cities. New cities came up. Due to the new city, why did new city came up and new industrialized regions developed? New industrialized regions were developed. And next one is railways expanded. And next, and the industrial revolution occurred. Revolution occurred. Okay. The political trends of industrial society and social change. It was a time of profound social and economic changes. Profound, which means deeply social and economic changes. It was a time when new cities came up. Due to the new city came up, industrial regions were developed. Okay. There were more industries. Means here in India, industrial region in Bengaluru, Pina industrial region, and next Bamsandra industrial region. Like this, Europe also had industrial region. Railways expanded. When railway introduced, railways expanded to carry the goods and service from one place, goods and passengers from one place to another place. Okay na? And next industrial revolution occurred. The people they were going from native village to industrial regions for working in the industries. Through this they were earning the money, ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ that occurred in the Europe in the industrial society? The first one is new cities came up. Next one is new industrialized regions were developed. Railways expanded. Industrial revolution that occurred. Industrial brought men and women and children to factories. This industrialization made men, women and children. Men, women and children went to factories. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Where did they go? Factories. Men, women and children to factories. Work hours were often long and wages were poor. Okay na? Working men, why did they go? Because they wanted money. In order to gain money, they went to factories, irrespective of their age. Men, women and children. Okay na? Men, women and children. Work hours were often long. There is an Indian government which made the wages of workers or laborers working time is 8 hours. But in European country, that time there was a long and wages were poor. ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. wages were poor. Unemployment was common particularly during times of low demand of industrial goods. When was unemployment common? During times of low demand of industrial goods. There was a creation of unemployment, because if the goods demand was high, unemployment would be created. ಗೂಡ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ unemployment was common. Why? Because the low demand of industrial goods, housing and sanitation were problems. Since towns were growing rapidly, what was the problems of towns growing? What were the problems of towns growing? Towns grow atandre alli ಏನು problem create ಆಗ್ತದೆ? Towns growing. The first one is problem housing. Second problem is sanitation. The first, what were the problems of town growing? Due to the town growing, town ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೆಳೆದು ಅಂದರೆ, due to the town growing, the problem of housing, the government had to provide to their citizens, all their citizens, house has to be provided to all citizens by the government. And next there was a problem of sanitization, which means there was no clean society. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? ಸಿಟಿಯನ್ನು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಿಂದಿರತಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೇಷನ್ were problems since towns were growing. What were the problems of growing of town? Sanitation and housing problems. Liberals and radicals search for solutions to these issues. What were the issues? Problem of sanitization. This housing and sanitization were solved by liberals and radicals. Almost all industries were the property of individuals. All the industries, those who were called as industries, the owner of industries who were called as industrialists. Industrialists, liberals and radicals themselves were often property owner and employees. Okay, here you can understand easily. Here the first one is industrialization. Industrialists. And next liberals. Next radicals. Okay. Industries were the property of individuals. Industries. This is the property of every individuals. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತದವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಲಿಬರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ radicals themselves were often property owners and employees. Okay, now liberals, radicals were having these industries and next property and next they were also employed. They were also employees in the industries. Their situation was really good. Whose situation? Radicals and liberals. How do you say that? Radicals and liberal situation were very good, were very better than common people. How do you say that? Because almost all industries were property of individuals. Liberals and radicals themselves were often property owners and employees, having made their wealth through trade and industries venture. Hangandre, how did they make this money? How were they having this property? Hangandre, ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ವೆಲ್ತ್, ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಥ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ which means deals goods and service from one place to another place. ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ವೆಂಚರ್. How did they gain wealth? ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಓಕೆನಾ? How did they gain money? In the industrials or in the radicals and liberals, they were property owners. They were not poorer. They were not beggars. They were not working any under authorities. They were property owners and employees, having made their wealth. How did they gain wealth? How did they make wealth? ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ರು? How did they earn wealth? The first one is wealth. How did they gain wealth? The first one is through trade. And next one is industrial venture. Okay, trade and industrial venture which means sahasa bandawalna. They had invested on the industries and they produced and exported the goods from one place to another place. By this way they were earning the money. ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದ a large amount it was invested by liberals and next one is radicals. This large amount of this venture means sahasa. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, but they had invested the money. And next they felt that such effort should be encouraged, that its would benefit be achieved if the workforce in the economy was wealthy and citizens were educated. Okay, they felt. Who's felt? The first one is radicals. The first one is radicals. The first radicals. And radicals and liberals, they felt ಅವರ ಭಾವನೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? radicals and liberals, they felt ಸಚ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನು ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ such effort should be encouraged that its benefit would be achieved. Whose benefit? Liberals and radicals ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರೇನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್, ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ, economy was healthy and citizens were educated. Economy was healthy, citizens were educated. And opposed to the privileges the old aristocracy had by birth, the liberals they opposed aristocracy, as we discussed in the last class. Aristocracy, privilege by birth. Okay, they opposed the privileges the old aristocracy had by birth. What is the privileges? Andre savlattu. Those who were called as privileged society, there were three sectors. The first one is clergy, second king, third common people. The first half of two, the first society, second society were called as privileged society. The last one unprivileged society. By birth they were getting a privilege, those two society, first and second society. This was opposed by liberals and radicals. Opposed to the privileges, the old aristocracy. Aristo means auto, start. Andre avaru yaರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. They did not take care about the people. Aristocracy, which means monarchy system, the king. Example, in France was ruled by Louis 16, 15, 14. Russia was ruled by Tsar dynasty. This aristocracy, they were getting privilege by birth. It was opposed by radicals and liberals. They firmly believed in the value of individual effort. ಏನನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ್ರು? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ individual effort. That means everybody is equal in front of law. According to them, everybody is equal. Nobody poorer, nobody richer, nobody superior, nobody inferior. All are equal. Everybody should effort in the development of economy of state. Okay na? Some people ಕೆಲವರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. This was not agreed by radicals and liberals. Labor and enterprise, individual effort. Firmly believed that value of individual effort and labor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುಡಿಯೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ labor, and next last one is enterprise. Okay na? Labor, which means everybody should laboring ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ದುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, irrespective of their privilege. Whatever, if the king, if the clergy, the common people, teacher, professor, lawyer, judges, all members should be laboring because everybody is equal in front of the law according to radicals and liberals. If freedom of individual was ensured, okay na? If freedom of individual was ensured, according to them, Individual, they more importance towards individual freedom. Individual freedom and value individual effort, labor and enterprise. If freedom of individual was ensured, if the poor could labor, and those with capital could operate without restraint. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, all of these were having the common people, the laborers, ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ವರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್. ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ವೆಂಚೂರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾರು ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಬರಲ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವರ್ಕ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೊನಾರ್ಕಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್, ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್. ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, those who are working as a labor in the industries, they were educated. And next they opposed autocracy, aristocracy, okay na, opposed to the privileges the old aristocracy had by birth. They firmly believed in the value of individual effort, labor and enterprises. Next point is, if freedom of individuals were ensured, avarge individual ಒಬ್ಬನ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ಡ್. if the poor could labor and those with capital could operate without restraint. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಲೇಬರ್ ಆದರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಓಡ್ತವೆ, ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ದೇ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ವುಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್. ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ who wanted changes in the world rallied around liberal and radical groups and parties in the early 19th century. Okay, and those with capital could operate without a restraint. Rest ildange operate agade. They believed that societies would also develop. Avaga society develop yavaga, when the working people, they were wealthy, wealth and health, economy, in the economy healthy, they were educated, they were having individual freedom. And next one is, the value of individual effort. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್. ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ together with liberals and radicals groups in the parties in the early 19th century. Women, radicals, liberals, men, women, children, all these members rally ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ? they wanted freedom. Next, some nationalists, liberals and radicals wanted a revolution to put an end of the king of governments established in Europe in 1815. Some nationalists, ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯವಾದಿಗಳು, liberals, we have discussed liberals, radicals wanted revolution to put an end to the king of governments. Why had to they end? ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? king of governments, they did not take care about the people. ಜನರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, they did not think about the people, they did not take care of people. They always think themselves, their selfishness. They had lead luxurious life. Okay, na? They had spent luxurious lives in governments established in Europe in 1815. In France, it was ruled by Bourbon dynasty. Italy was ruled by many dynasties such as Austria-Habsburg dynasty, Savoy dynasty, Bourbon dynasty, Pope. Like this, Germany also it was ruled by Holland, Denmark, France, Austria. Okay, and next Russia was ruled by Tsar. These are all called as monarchies, aristocracies. They became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchies. Who? Men, women, radicals, liberals. All these became revolutionaries in France, Italy, German, and Russia. All the countries revolutionaries. France, Italy, German, and Russia. All these revolutionaries. Those it was included by men, women, children, liberals, radicals. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಓವರ್ತ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೊನಾರ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಹೌದಾ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ದ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಟೈಲ್. Nationalists talked of revolution that would create nations. New state was created, nation state. Forged through struggles, not a long years waging war. Nation states were created, forged through struggles in European countries such as Russia, France, Germany, Italy. These states became nation states. From modern state to nation state by forged through struggles ಇಂದಾಗಿದ್ದವು, ನಾಟ್ ವೇಜಿಂಗ್ ವಾರ್ಸ್. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಬಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಟೆರಿಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ forged through struggles. It was forged through struggles, nation states, where all citizens would have equal rights. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ France 1789, Italy 1870, German 1871. Joseph Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with the others to achieve this in Italy. Notary. After 1815, Joseph Mazzini he played a very important role to unification of Italian state. After 1815, Italian nationalists conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. Nationalists elsewhere including India read his writing. Notary. Italy yavagaitu 1870. Before, the people were provoked by Joseph Mazzini to unification of Italy. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಿತೂರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, ಜನರನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ, ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಇಟಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟಲಿ. ಬೇರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ read his writing. In India, who were the radicals? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. These were influenced by Joseph Mazzini. Okay, what we have discussed today, class? We have discussed the industrial society and social change. How was railways expanded? Industrial revolution occurred. New industrialized regions developed. And next, what did the radicals and the liberals want? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? They wanted economy was healthy. The working people economy was healthy. Citizens were educated, opposed aristocracy, value individual effort. They wanted labor, enterprise, and next to individual freedom. Okay, na? Like this we have discussed. Thank you. Next, let us discuss about the coming of socialism in Europe.